above your left arm. At the 12 o'clock position from the God's eye view, so where you're looking straight in front of you. The first thing you do is a big swing from the front to the back while you open and twist. Then you do a swing out to the side in your anti-spin, and then back to the front in your anti-spin. So swing, then side, front. Swing, side, front. Swing, side, front. Swing, side, front. And you should be looking forward even if I'm looking to the side at you. So then your right arm is also counterclockwise above, only you start back behind you. And you go from back to front in one big swing, out to the side, and then anti-spin to the back. So swing and side and back, and swing and side and back, and swing and side and back, swing and side and back, swing, side, back, swing, side, back, swing, side, back. From left and front, still above your arm, counterclockwise, and right behind, still above your arm, counterclockwise, looking forward. So I'm going to call this forward, even though I got into it lazily like this. I'm rotating my hips back, so that's forward. But notice my hip is open to the back arm, which is my right arm. Then what you do is you swing in the in-spin portion and you switch positions, so your right should be in front, left should be in the back. Then they both go out to the side. And then you go back to where you started, so left in front, right behind. So swing, then sides, then switch. Swing, sides, and switch. And you're switching back to, after the sides, you swing, sides, switch, having it back where you started. Swing, side, the start. Swing, sides, back to start. Swing, sides, back to start. Swing, sides, back to start. You have a tendency to do it a little bit wimpy. And what I mean by wimpy in this case is, this would be the full range of motion. Right? This would be more like a wimpy range of motion, where you're doing it, but you're not like really getting it back all the way to 6. The next thing that I would say is, last week when we were speaking about the sprinkler, I was saying that your arms are basically like this the whole time, like a sprinkler head. And while that's basically true, it can be helpful. I'll show you from this angle. It can be helpful when you're going from left behind, right in front, to pump a little bit, pump the arms out this way, which technically a sprinkler head wouldn't do. But that, and I'm not even saying necessarily a big pump, but there is a little bit of sideward force that helps you get the 2 poi to that side position. And that's when your left is behind and your right is in front. But that's me. It may not help you. We know how you love to do variations on all of these corkscrew things, and you do this thing. You can turn this thing into, right, you're doing the turn, and then you stop and anti-spin. Now, with this one, I would say what's different about doing it from the corkscrew is with the corkscrew one, it can be down here like this. I'm actually flying it higher so that it's closer to flat, so that you can pop it up over the arm. And then the thing that is also relevant is what the arms do. We'll do a half a turn, and then, so we rotate our body 180 degrees, but then the arms come all the way to the front, then anti-spin, and then you're in the cap. So you stop, right, you turn, half a turn, but you keep going with the arms until the right arm is in the front, and that's when you do your anti-spin. So this is what it would look like with poi. Bum, 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 bum. Now I'm gonna turn. I stop, but now my arms don't change direction until my right arm hits the front. Now I'm gonna turn. I stop. Now my poi changes when my right arm hits the front. I turn, I stop, my right arm hits the front, and then I anti-spin. I turn, I stop, my poi changes from spin to anti-spin when the right one's in the front. Let's do the right arm. And what I want to do is I want to end facing this way so you can see it from behind. I turn, I turn, I turn, I turn, I come around, my right arm gets to the front, then anti-spin across the top. Then turn, 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 right arm hits the front, anti-spin across the top. Turn, 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 anti-spin, and turn. So when your right arm comes to the front, you bring the poi up over the arm, go out to the side, then go around to the back, and then you turn again. Then come to the front, go to the side, the back, turn all the way around. Front, now anti-spin side, back, turn. Anti-spin side, back, turn. 10 sets where we do 2 caps and then a turn. So we'll do 1 and second cap, now turn, come around 360 and 1 and 2 and turn, 360 and third set, out, back, front, out, back, turn, and set 4, out, back, front, out, back, turn, and set 5, out, back, front, out, back, turn, set 6, out, back, front, out, back, turn, set 7, out, back, front, out, back, front, and turn, and out, back, front, out, back, and turn, and out, back, front, out, back, and turn. And then we'll do our last one, out, back, and out, back, turn. So the left arm, you turn, and then when it's in your back position, you go side, front, back, side, front, back, side, front, and then turn. Back, side, front, back, side, front, and turn. Back, side, front. Let's do 10. And turn, and back, side, front, back, side, front, and turn. And back, side, front, back, side, front, and turn. And back, side, front, back, side, front, and turn. And back, side, front, back, side, front, and turn. And back, side, front, back, side, front, and turn. And back, side, front, back, side, front, and turn. 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 We'll do 2 more. Back, side, front, back, side, front, and turn. And back, side, front, back, side, front, and turn. We turn, wherever we stop. When the right one gets to the front and the left one's in the back, we do the anti-spin and we go into the cap. And then just solidly get yourself back into your cap. And then when you're ready, turn, 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 and anti-spin, cap. And then when you're ready, turn. And when the right is in the front and left is in the back, you go into your anti-spin. And then we'll turn. When the right's in the front, left's in the back, anti-spin. And turn. When the right's in the front, left's in the back, anti-spin. And then we'll turn. And when the right's in the front, left's in the back, anti-spin. And turn. Right's in front, left's in the back, anti-spin. And turn. And then when you get it comfortable, you could do something like this, where you're doing 1 cap, 1 turn. Anti-spin, and turn. And cap once, and turn. And cap once, and turn. And you can stop anywhere along the way, right? You don't have to stop. Like I could stop this way, or this way, or this way, or this way, whichever way.